Hello students, my name is Varsha Google. Today we are going to study about telling the time. It is related to study of clock. Hello students, today we are going to learn how to tell the time. Now in the second standard you have learned how to read the clock or watch. Okay, so we know that what dial, how many numbers are given, okay, how many minutes are given. So let's see, we also take again. Now look at here students, here is given that this is the dial, or we can say this is the watch. Now in this watch, now here is given two hands. Okay, now first hand, this is short hand. Now it represents, it is also called that hour's hand. Okay, then long hand, it is also called, it is called minute hands. Okay, now let's see how to tell the time. Now in the first watch, it is given that now this short hand, it goes to 3 numbers. Okay, and then this minute hands, it reaches to the 12 numbers. So we can say that now it is the 3 o'clock. Okay. Now in the same way we have to look there. Suppose now this short hand is to that, it goes to 4th number, then the long hand is to the 12 number. So we can say that now it is 4 o'clock. Okay. So when the exact hour is completed, then we can say it is a clock. Now see here in the second picture, that is second clock. Now in the second clock, now see here the short hand, it goes to in between 3 and 4 point. Okay. Then long hand, it goes to 6 point. Then how can you tell this time? It is that it's 3:30. In the same way, we can also change this direction. Now suppose the short hand, it also between 4 and 5th number. Okay. Then long hands reach to that 6th number. So we can say that it is a 5:30. Okay. Now in the same way we can also tell that number. We can change these hands and we can also tell this number. Suppose now this short hand in between 5 and 6, and this also, this long hand, it has to reach to the 6. Then we can say that 5:30. Now next picture, look at here. Now in this dial, here is given the short hand, it also between 1 and 2 point. Okay. The long hand, it goes to 9 number. So the time is that 1:45. Okay. So for example, we can also change this direction. Suppose now this short hand is between into 2 and 3. Okay. Then long hand also reach to that 9 number. So we can say that 2:45. Okay. So in this way we can also say this time. Now let's see this fourth picture. It represents that. Okay. Now here is written number 5.15. Okay. So this time we have to show in the dial. We have to show in this watch. How to show these numbers in the watch? Now look at here. The first here, now this long hand, it is also to give that it reach to 3 numbers, and then the short hand, it goes to 5 number. Okay. So we can say that it is the time, it's time 5:50. Okay. Suppose now other example we can take that. Suppose now this short hand, it also goes to 6 number. Okay, short hand, and then long hand, it reaches to that 3 number. So the time is that 6:15. So in the same way we can also change this direction, the long hand and short hand, then we can also represent their time. So in the same way, okay, so we can understand how to tell the time and how to draw this time on the clock. Okay students, so through this video I hope that you understood how to tell the time. Okay, thank you and have a good time.